On today's Market of Choice Gracious Kitchen, we are tackling Super Bowl entertaining with a super idea, S-O-U-P-E-R. Years ago, my mom did something that I thought was so clever. She hosted a Super Bowl party with soup. And so today, as an ode to my mom and Miami, where the Super Bowl is being played, we are making a delicious crab chowder. Now, I also picked up a few ready-to-serve soups from the Market of Choice Deli, so our guests will have a variety to choose from. We're going to start by cooking 6 pieces of bacon in a pot. Once the bacon is crispy, remove it from the pot, and to the bacon drippings, add 1 chopped yellow onion, 3 ribs of chopped celery, 6 cubed small yellow potatoes, and 2 chopped carrots. Seasoning with half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 tablespoon for that southern flavor of Old Bay seasoning. When the veggies are soft, add 3 tablespoons of flour, then whisk in 1 32-ounce container of chicken broth and 1 cup of whipping cream until combined and creamy. Next, stir in 3 cups of frozen corn. Bring the soup to a boil and then reduce the heat and simmer, stirring occasionally for about 30 minutes just so it doesn't burn on the bottom. And while our soup is thickening, we are going to make our bread bowls. I pre-ordered these from the Market of Choice Bakery. They just need about 3 days notice for you to pick them up. Remove the top of each of the rolls by slicing horizontally. Next, we're going to create a grid using your knife like this. Carefully pull the bread out from inside of the rolls. Your kids are going to love helping with this process. The only thing we want to do is make sure that we don't take too much of the bottom because we want to make sure that there's enough bread so that your soup doesn't leak through. Now that the soup has thickened, gently stir in 1 pound of crab meat and cook for 4 to 5 more minutes. And just before kickoff, set out your bread bowls and let your guests ladle in the soup. And for that chowder, sprinkle the crispy bacon that we cooked over the top. Thanks, Mom, for a super fun idea. For this recipe and other family-friendly Gracious Kitchen recipes, visit the blog at marketofchoice.com. Because remember, the best place to connect with our kids is in the car and the kitchen and in the living room, rooting for your favorite Super Bowl team.